up. I'm just expediting the process. Neither side has really fallen short on manpower, huh? Yuri, you good?
Confirmed target elimination.
Confirmed. Moving on.
Let's move! Let's move!
Yeah, she's good. More Maja thugs, more Hammerhead thugs, more destruction of public property. Hey, I can do this all day, guys, though I prefer not to.
I'm gonna squad you! You're on my theater now!
I can do this all day, guys, though I prefer not to.
You're gonna be like a bug on a windshield!
Enough with the bug puns already. Huh. Does Sable know you borrowed her shields?
Fire in the hole! Look out! Damn on! Don't let him pick off any more of us!
You know, I know a guy with a way cooler shield.
Present for ya!
That was about as tough as I expected. Better catch up to Yuri. Hey, Yuri, we're all good outside. How's your team? Oh, bad reception. She must be in the basement or something. Gotta catch up to her. Oh, good. Nice and creepy. Definitely not haunted. I know Yuri can handle herself, but something isn't right in here. I've got to catch up to her. Please don't let there be any bathroom ghosts. I can't deal with that today. Probably not every old sanitarium is haunted by the ghosts of the people who were mistreated there, but this one almost definitely is. Hey, Yuri, do you read? Well, it was worth a try.
Dirty cops thinking they can rush into Maggia territory without any consequences. They can't do that. This is our town. Our town. And ain't nobody, no cops, no hammerhead, no nobody gonna get in our way.
Hey!
No talking during the infiltration. Huh. This looks like Hammerhead's base of operations, but no Hammerhead, and no Yuri. They were betting over districts. Over who gets to control what once the rest of the Maggia are out. Good luck with that. New Yorkers love being told what to do. Yuri! That didn't sound good. Gotta get to her, fast.
Where'd they come from? Who cares? Cops everywhere, and the spider's here too. We'll take them out. We'll take them all out. You know what's
I should get this guy out of everyone's way.
We guard the road. We ain't allowed to
Get snuggly up there.
Oh yeah, Lou tried it earlier.
And?
Hammerhead nearly took his ear off, and everything attached.
They're guarding whatever's in that room. Could lead to Yuri. Let's do this quietly. Now for the rest.
What the? Yeah, better investigate. Hey, who's there? Nobody could have got past me. Must be nothing. What the? Yeah, better investigate.
What was it then?
Hey, Catania, when's your sister gonna return my calls, huh? This is not like him to say nothing. I'll go check on him. I'll see what's up.
Almost there. That's all of them. Now what did Hammerhead leave a room full of goons here to watch? Sable tech? But what's the rest of this stuff? And how'd Hammerhead get his fins on all this? That's a lot of live video gear. That's new. Feels too professional for a Hammerhead production. CCTVs. Yuri's gotta be on one of them. I have to get in there. They repurposed the old security system. Come on, Yuri.
Thing is, I'm a gentleman. You'd have knocked. You could have come right in.
No.
But you had to go and sneak around. That's the problem with you new cops. No respect.
Coward!
Of course, used to be. We earned your respect. You hit us, we hit back. Made you know your place. Gave you the fear. But now... Now you think a stiff breeze will blow us over? Time to bring the fear back.
Drop the gun! Hands behind your head!
How about no?
Captain, I'm sorry.
Do it! Now!
There it is. There's the fear.
Do it, Cap. Do it!